Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how can you install Office 2007 on your PC. So basically you need to download it from Google. You can find any website. Probably it's still free and it's not that big. It's probably 300 megabytes or 700. You can also try on Microsoft website. I downloaded my Office a few days ago, so I will use mine. Okay, we need to find the setup and to start. At first it will probably ask you for a key. If you need a key, you can write a comment. I will copy my key. If your key is okay, it will give you a chance to go to continue with the installation. So it's simple. We just go install now. If your PC is fast enough, it will probably take few minutes to install, and then we will check is everything okay with the installation. So let's check Word. If this message comes, you can just click OK, click Next, and don't use updates. Finish. So everything is there, everything is activated, it's good. So let's check Excel. Probably is everything okay also with Excel. So it's free, it's simple, and you don't need to pay anybody.